welcome back to the Cray K Siblings, and today we're going to be doing vlog 2 while eating Peeps and a humongous candy cane.
You didn't have to say that.
Yum.
Bum bum.
So,
You know, whenever you crunch on a Peep, it wants to make me eat one.
I have one left.
Can I eat that one?
No.
Why are you acting like a T-Rex?
I'm chewing slowly so you can be jealous of me.
I'm not jealous anymore. I can't even hear it. You know,
want it?
Then give it.
No. It's mine, the last one. It's cotton candy. And if we can get this video to 1,000 views, maybe like 500 views.
By the next 3 videos, guys, I wish we could get 50 subscribers.
So, make sure you click that subscribe button, like.
Make sure you click that subscribe button 50 times. I'm not saying one person should do that.
Everybody. But you can't really, like, if you subscribe, then
Once you it just says unsubscribe.
Yeah, if you press it again.
You unsubscribe.
This is super duper good. And so,
Sis, do you know Ronald and G? You know, like, those are called Peeps. He always says, "Hey Peeps, it's Ronald," and now I'm about to say, "Hey Peeps, it's Peeps."
a flying head coming to catch you. Oop, oop.
Let's say our favorite channels.
My favorite channel. Shout out to Emily and Evelyn. They are the best.
My favorite channels. Shout out to Ronald OMG, Freddy, and Gamer Girl.
And I also love Sis vs. Bro.
They're the best. Sorry, Sis vs. Bro. Why that you lost your dogs? Cats.
Okay. So. Okay. That was very disturbing. We're going to
Die.
No. How about we do a little dance-use? Which song?
Trap and I.
No, it's not a dancing song.
Despacito.
That's not a dancing song.
That Piper Raquel song isn't a dancing song as well.
I want to treat myself.
What? It isn't a dancing song.
I know. It's called I Want to Treat Myself.
Oh, I thought you were about to write it. Dragon Blade?
Okay, what do you want? 3, 2,
That one.
1. You know what? No dancing songs. So yeah. So, guys, comment down below how you're doing with this whole homeschool thing.
Comment down below if you're scared or not about the coronavirus. Because it's real. Did you know? No, never mind.
The USA is the third largest globally thingy that has a coronavirus. 27,000 people. You know what you need. I'm myself. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna sing that song because that song is so nice. I'm gonna be reading my speech. Dear fellow students.
You are not even reading anything.
Oh, wrong page. Okay, dear fellow students.
You are not reading anything.
Stop it. I know they can't hear now, but stop it. Okay, hey guys, I'm back. I just totally didn't give him a serious speech. Okay. Dear fellow students.
You're not reading.
Stop it! I'm only doing this bit because they can't hear me. Okay. Dear fellow students, today I'm going to be talking about
nothing.
Peeps. Peeps are very delicious and they were made in Siri, when were Peeps made?
Peeps was formed in 1953.
Okay, Peeps were made in 1953. See, that's why there's nothing except math. Peeps are marshmallows, and they sold in United States. You know that's our mom's phone.
I don't care.
Okay, well, that's the end of this vlog video because I'm running out of things to do. Bye.
Bye, guys.